Just sit, relax, and vocalize with me. In the right note. Lam, vam, ram, yam, ham. Lam, vam, ram, yam, ham. Lam, vam, ram, yam, ham. You can also put Om in front of each element. Om, Lam. And each one have a note like Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa. Each element have one note. So you can purify like that the elements. The second exercise is you can do some breathing. It's called Bhastrika. One breathing. You only exhale very strong, so you can exhale some toxins. You can put out some toxins from your body. This small exercise is not enough to increase attraction. So to become a Mohini, you need to practice some techniques and follow some system. The approach in my school is to do one assessment of your mental, vital, and sexual energy, and to help you specific how to balance your chakras and purify your elements to become more attractive. And you know, there is even some tantric secret that you can achieve that goal to become more attractive very fast. Namaste.